Hi, my name is Jordan, and this is where I went to school. My family moved to Townshend International School when I was 7 years old, and I started in grade 3. 10 years later, I graduated with my A-level diploma. I spent half my life here at Townshend. I grew up on this campus. I remember when this road wasn't even here. This used to be painted green. I used to fit at this desk. This is where my heart got broken for the first time. I am privileged to be a graduate of Townshend International School. It's home to me, and I know I'm not the only one.
In my time before Townshend, I was kind of limited to my environment. I had to act in a certain way, be part of a certain group. Here, everyone comes from different places, different cultures, and they're able to contribute to the better of the environment here.
I can confidently call Townshend my spiritual home because this is where my spiritual journey began.
Townshend emphasizes the need for service, not only for universities and academics, but also for building your own character.
Townshend students are very receptive. They are open to feedback, to developing themselves personally and academically.
The people are really open-minded, really kind, and it's just a wonderful community.
Everyone's kind and loving, which I didn't have the feeling at my last school.
There is a sense of community and love around the whole campus.
It's amazing, really. I haven't seen anything like it.
The Townshend campus on top of the hill overlooking the castle was built in 2001 thanks to the support of our investors.
For the past 20 years, we have rented the property.
Now, as we are approaching Townshend's 30th birthday,
The investors have found themselves in a position in which they would like to sell the property.
This presents Townshend with an opportunity.
The opportunity is for Townshend to own the land, to expand, build a gymnasium, and have full autonomy.
To make the purchase, we need to raise 4.8 million euros.
Over the years, Townshend has changed the lives of hundreds of young people and their families.
Many people call Townshend home.
Buying the land would give Townshend a strong foundation for the future.
Please visit our website,
Townshend30.com.
And look at the donation options.
Donations, low interest loans, or even just sharing this video will help this campaign.
The purchase needs to be completed by the summer of 2021, so we're trying to reach our goal by the end of May.
we are looking for your support to raise 4.8 million euros and secure Townshend's future.
I hope you will choose to support this project and join me in watching it go from strength to strength in the future. Thank you.